What is attention in large language models? Let's explore how machines learn to focus, just like we do. Have you ever wondered how AI decides what's important in a sentence? It's not random. These models detect patterns in words, much like our brains do. But not all words matter equally. Some carry more meaning than others. AI models use a concept called attention to focus on important words more than fillers. Let's break this down step by step using a simple sentence. Here's the sentence. The animal didn't cross the road because it was tired. Now, who does it refer to? Animal or road? This is where attention kicks in. The model checks every word and scores how much attention each one deserves. It builds a web of connections between words to understand relationships. Each connection gets a score, like 0.9 for animal and maybe 0.2 for road. The model focuses more on higher scores and less on weaker ones. We can visualize this as a heat map showing stronger connections in darker shades. See how the meaning changes depending on what it refers to? This digital spotlight keeps the model grounded in the sentence context. That heat map isn't static. It updates as each word is processed. Words flow through layers, and attention heads track patterns. Each word gets re-evaluated in real time with dynamic visual feedback. The spotlight guides the model to the most relevant tokens every time. Each attention head looks at different features, like grammar or intent. One head might focus on subjects, another on verbs. When they combine, the model builds a richer understanding. This forms a meaningful output that represents the sentence's true intent. All of this enables the model to capture deep context in real time. Without attention, predictions can be totally off, like it equals road, which makes no sense. Now, watch how it works. The animal didn't cross the road because it was tired. It highlights animal and gets a green check mark. The sentence is typed out while an attention map glows in the background. In longer paragraphs, attention helps track far away but relevant words. Inside each transformer block, attention wires connect inputs to outputs. Whether it's GPT, BERT, or Llama, they all rely on attention. In real use, this powers email writing, summarization, and smart responses. Here's a quick recap. Attention lines, tokens, layers, and scores, all working together. ChatGPT answering your prompt? Yup, attention is behind it all. Let's sum it up. Attention, focus, context, weights, that's the magic. Thanks for watching and diving into how machines learn to pay attention.